Welcome back to my channel. My name remains Mentor Psalmist. If you're watching my video for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button, like my video, comment and share to others that are willing to learn on online businesses. And previously, I've spoken about affiliate marketing for beginners and how to use DIGITSTEM. Now, I am about to teach you on how to register on the platform. And we have two ways for registration. The first one is using your website, where you go to your web engine and you type www.digistem.com, whereby when you register using that forum, you are going to register with 5,000 naira, with which you'll be given a commission of 25%, and you'll be limited to the links which you can sell on the platform, and you don't have a course which you can learn uh, some basic tools for affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you that very quickly, so kindly stay with me while I do that. I'm going to go to my web engine. I'm actually using Chrome, so I'll just type on www.digistem.com. So as you can see, it just told me you are welcome to DigiStem, learn, sell and earn. So that's the first thing you're going to get: an easy withdrawal, e-learning platform, link shortener, live chat, in that manner. So what you need to do is to get started. Now, getting started, you can see login and register. So you're going to put your information, as I'm doing. I'm just putting any information. You type your password, which you're not going to forget, and you retype the password. I saying it. Then make sure that the email you are putting is email that you can receive SMS on, and it's a valid email. So I'm checking that I'm not a robot. So when you click on submit, if I click on submit, it could tell me that okay, that my password doesn't match and the likes. And if I make the password work, it could still tell me that my email has been used, because I've used this email for my personal registration. So when you do that, it's going to show you that you should buy so as to get access into the links, to get access to your marketplace. It's what we call marketplace. So, and for you to do that, you need to pay $10, which is 5,000 naira. So like I said earlier, that you are not going to get access to some things. The links that you'll be able to sell, you'll not get more profit on them, and you not have a course to learn on how to create websites, how to monetize your YouTube, how to create ads on Facebook, Instagram, how to use your Twitter account, how to use your WhatsApp, how to get audience, how to create ebooks, how to do those stuffs. You won't learn those. The one for 5,000 naira will not teach you those stuffs. But the other one, which is going for 20,000 naira, but registration is 10,000 naira, which is $20, and it will give you access to the course, the full course. So the full access course, that one too is going for 10,000 naira. So everything is making it what? 20,000 naira. So this is it. This is the link which you can see I've highlighted. Can you see it? So let me just click on it. It will take me directly to it. So as if you have registered, I'll teach you on how to get your link, so that link is what you would be sending to anybody that wants to register on the platform. But mind you, you need to know what you are selling. If you don't know what you're selling, there's nobody that is going to buy for you. You need to have some authority in selling those products, those digital products. Now you can see uh, the 10K secret to build a uh, profitable online business, blah blah blah. Can you see it? So you can help yourself by watching this video, and don't just watch the video and register with the person. Kindly register with the person that referred you or that told you about the business, which I'm doing. And beneath it, you're going to see what we call this affiliate ID, which is, look at where my arrow is pointing, which is, my ID is 57084. You get it? So you have, look at the benefits. Zero experience needed. Anybody can start in any age, male, female. You're 100% as a beginner. Step by step blue print, 1 year account, and you have DFY premium marketing tools, which you're paying for. You're not paying anything for that. You have $1,000 in 60 days, which is possible. You build an evergreen 7-figure business. My battery is going low. So this part is where you're going to click so as to start to grab it. Can you see it? Today only $40, which is 20K, you can use to start up. So when you click on that part, it's going to show you that you should put your name. Can you see? You cannot add another ultimate money machine to your chat because I've done it, but I'm just trying to show you how to go about it. Can you see? When you put your details, it's going to show you that you actually want to buy the ultimate money machine for 20,015 naira, which you can see. Then you place payment. So you can do with Flutterwave or Squad Payment Gateway. So when you place order, after paying, I'll show you screenshots of what you are going to get. So immediately when you do that, you have access to, they will send you email, then you proceed by doing the registration. And by me teaching you on how, anytime you want to register, just kindly tell me so as to put you through on how to get information. So I'm going to show you the screenshots, as I've said. So I want to show you the dashboard and how it looks like. So when you come back here, it will tell you to log in. So let me log in into my dashboard. I'm logging in into my dashboard. So kindly exercise patience. As you can see, this account is new. Can you see this account is new? So you can see this, where you see your balance. This particular place my cursor is touching is where you see your balance, and these are the actions, what you do online. So how to get your links is what I'm going to teach you now. You go to where you see marketplace. So while you are doing that, on that place you see payment, your wallet, you update every information you need to update on the platform, and you can chat online with any of the admin that is available. They tell you what to do and what not to do. The network is very slow. I'm going to pause this video for a bit. Super affiliate marketing made easy on a smartphone. You can see that too. You can learn, you can copy that, check what it entails and sell it. email marketing profit, which is going for 35K. This one is Upwork Mastermind for smartphone users, 20K. Video editing mastery. There are so many people that don't know how to edit video and they want to learn. You can actually do that as well. Domain dollar, blah 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 blah. So you'll be getting so many information. So the main thing which, as an affiliate on DIGITSTEM, you need to sell. First thing you need to sell is this Digit 101, which is what the ultimate money machine pro. Can I say it for 20,000 naira? So what you just need to do is slide, and you see where there's link, you copy that link. I see copied. So when you copy it, you go straight to an app called tinyucl.com. tinyucl.com. So when you paste it here, the link is too much and some people might not want to click it because it's too long. So you just make it shorter. Can you see the link? It's now shorter. Then you copy it. Then any of your prospects, you send that link to the person. If anybody that you have told about it, you've told him what affiliate marketing is, how to earn money on DIGITSTEM, blah blah blah, then you share that link to them. So I would want you to go back to that video, the first video I did about how to start affiliate marketing, so as to give you information on how you can earn money on this. I'm going to drop another video on how people will not steal your prospect, or people you have done great work by telling the business model. Do you get it? So thank you for staying on the line. Thank you for watching with me. Thank you. God bless you. Till when we see next. Thank you.